lightweight fighter that could match the F-16's agility in close combat. But they also insisted on beyond visual range capability comparable to the F-15. They demanded a combat radius exceeding 700 kilometers, yet specified a compact airframe that left minimal volume for fuel. They wanted cutting-edge avionics with look-down, shoot-down radar and advanced electronic warfare suites. And they wanted it compatible with Soviet ground support infrastructure that relied on technology from the 1960s. Most problematically, they wanted all of this at a unit cost significantly lower than Western equivalents, which meant the design team had to work within severe budgetary constraints that precluded expensive solutions to difficult engineering problems. Rostislav Belyakov, the chief designer who led the MiG-29 program, faced these contradictions with a combination of innovative thinking and pragmatic compromise. He assembled a team that included some of the Soviet aerospace industry's most talented engineers. But talent alone couldn't overcome the material science limitations, manufacturing precision problems, and component reliability issues that plagued Soviet technology throughout the Cold War. The team studied Western fighters extensively through intelligence reports and technical analyses, understanding what they needed to achieve while recognizing they lacked many of the enabling technologies that made Western performance possible. The electronic components available to Soviet designers were generations behind Western equivalents in miniaturization, reliability, and power efficiency. Achieving similar capability required heavier, bulkier systems that consumed more electrical power, generated more heat, and demanded cooling infrastructure that added further weight and complexity. The result was a series of fundamental compromises that would only become painfully apparent when NATO pilots actually flew the aircraft in the 1990s, and could directly compare it to the Western fighters they knew intimately. Construction of the MiG-29 prototype began in 1974 at the MiG experimental facility. The first flight occurred in October 1977, with test pilot Alexander Fedotov at the controls. The aircraft that emerged incorporated several genuinely innovative elements. Western analysts who saw it in satellite reconnaissance photographs had reason to be concerned. The twin RD-33 turbo